Welcome! In this video, I'll show how to make the maximum uses of your Discord server invite link 100. It's a quick and simple process, but knowing how to adjust this properly can really help you manage who joins your server and how your community grows. So, let's get started. First, open Discord on your device. It doesn't matter if you're using desktop or mobile, the steps are nearly the same. Once Discord is open, head to the server where you want to control your invite settings. Tap the server's name right at the top of the screen. This opens a small menu with several options related to your server's setup and management. From here, tap Invite. This is where you'll see your invite link. Normally, Discord gives you a default invite link that anyone can use without limits, but you can customize that however you like. To do that, go ahead and tap Edit Invite Link. Now you'll see a menu with several settings. This is the part that gives a total control. You can decide how long the invite lasts, whether it should expire, and how many times it can be used. Since we want to make sure the link can be used multiple times ideally, 100 people look for the option labeled Max Uses. By default, the number might show as No Limit. Tap it, and you'll see a list of preset options. Choose the one that says 5 if that's all Discord currently allows in your plan or version. Then save the changes. If you want to increase that number in the future, repeat the same process and adjust it again. Once your settings are confirmed, your invite link is ready to share. Copy it and send it to your friends, followers, or community members.